everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw Bluey, and she's sitting on the earth. All right, let's get started. Let's start with Bluey's body. And now I'm going to start in the middle of my paper, and we're going to draw a rectangular shape for Bluey's body. And now I'm going to leave the bottom open because we're going to draw legs and the earth underneath of it. Next, let's draw Bluey's ear. So we're going to start here on the left side and draw a triangle going up and back down. And let's leave a little space between the ears, and we can draw the other one right here. Now on the inside of the ears, we're going to draw Bluey's eyebrows, which are like jelly bean shapes. All right, and once you do the eyebrows, now we can draw the inside part of the ear. Which is just a smaller triangle. And my line is going to go behind the eyebrows. Next, let's work on Bluey's face. And I'm going to start with her nose. So I'm going to start right in the middle of her body right here, and we're going to draw a line going over, down, and back up. All right, and next let's draw her nose, which is a little triangle at the very end. A triangle with rounded corners. All right, next I'm going to draw Bluey's eyes. So I'm going to start, let's start with the left eye. I'm going to draw a big oval shape like that. And now the right eye is going to be behind her nose. So I'm going to start about here and draw a big oval shape, and it's going to go behind her nose. And then on the inside, we can draw a smaller oval shape, and that will be the black part of her eye. And now we can finish her mouth. So I'm going to start here underneath her eye, and this line is going to curve around, and it's going to connect to the bottom of her little smile. All right, so let's start here. We're going to curve around and connect. Next, let's draw the bottom of Bluey's body and her legs. So I think I'm going to make her body just a little bit longer. And then I'm going to start here on the left, and we're going to draw her legs angled outward. So I'm going to start my line right here and draw a line going out. And then I'm going to draw another line on this side. And I'm going to make this line just a little bit longer. All right, and now to draw her foot, we're going to start right in the middle of her leg and do a curved line that's going to go around and connect like that. And then we can draw some little curved lines for her toes. And, whoops, and the bottom of her feet. All right, now I'm going to do the same thing on the right side. I'm going to draw that line angled out and another line angled out. Curve around for the toes and their feet. Next, let's draw Bluey's arms. Now she's going to have one arm in the air on the right side, so let's start with that arm. I'm going to start on the right side of her body and draw a line angled up, and then one underneath angled up. Now we can draw her fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and now the other arm is going to be kind of going downward, and it's going to be resting on our earth. So I'm going to start my line right here and draw a line going down. And another line going down. And her 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we can connect the bottom of her body, and it's going to kind of go behind her hand. Next, let's draw Bluey's tail. I'm going to start here on the left side, and her tail kind of goes up like this. Has 3 little bumps and comes back down. Okay, and next let's draw Bluey's spots and details that she has. So I'm going to go up here by her eye. And she's got a line connecting the top of her head to her eye. And then that spot connects back to her body. And on the right eye, we're going to do the same thing. A line at the top. And then that spot connects kind of where her nose is to her body. And then she's got a spot on her belly. And her legs, and her arms. And then she's got a little spot on her side, and then 2 on the left, little half circles. All right, pause the video if you need to catch up, and if not, let's keep going. So next I'm going to draw the earth that Bluey is sitting on. I'm going to start my circle right over here on her foot, and I'm going to curve around and connect to her other foot. And then to make my circle look a little bit more round, I think I'm going to jump up here and draw the rest of it. And then this part I think we'll just hide behind her leg. Maybe we can draw a little bit, let's see. Yeah, I think that looks good. All right, now we can draw all of the land on our earth, and I'm just going to draw some squiggles. And then we can color that green for the land. All right, I think that looks great. Now let's color. Our Bluey looks amazing. Now pause the video if you need to finish coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.